I started writing when I was in primary, I think 4 or 5 thereabouts. I used to write drama stories. The way I used to write it is such that, I write the character name in front, put the column going, what Yoruba people call going, and then put whatever the person is saying, then go to the next line. And that is what I was doing until I got to JSS 3. And from random chit chat with one of my classmates, so he made me realize that if I wanted to do anything in the film industry, acting especially, I would need to go to school and study theater and performing arts, and that stuck into my brain. And I went to study theater and performing arts in Ahmadu Bello University Zaria. And from there, while in my 300 level thereabout, I made my first short film. Every one of us, we have been created for a purpose, and everything we need to achieve this purpose has been created with us. So we just need to find people that will help us harness our gifts, harness our calling, go deeper. If you are a talker, you just need somebody that would help you nurture it. It doesn't have to be maybe one-on-one contact. It could be you reading, watching clips on YouTube about great talkers.